All right, welcome to Wednesday's lesson, regrouping decimals. Now let's go ahead and get started with our first one. It says 1.83 or 1 and 83 hundredths is 1 plus 8 tenths plus 3 hundredths. What's another way to write it? So they're basically just trying to see how well we know how to do place value. So like always, we start off with a place value chart. We're going to go ahead and go line, line, decimal, line, line, because we're only going out to the hundredths. Okay, so now we're going to go through these and see if, when we plot them in our decimal line, if any of them work. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. It says 0 ones, okay, 0 ones, 18 tenths. Well, this is the tenths place, right? Tenths place, and this is the hundredths place. Could I write an 18 there? What would happen if I wrote an 18? I would put an 8 right there, and then I would have to put the 1 over here, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and put the 8 there, and then the 1 over there, and then we have 3 hundredths. Well, put a 3 in the hundredths. Okay, 1.83. That's what we started with. So that is the correct answer. Even though they wrote it really weird, you would never see 18th hundredths in the real world. They're just seeing if you understand that if you have more than 10 of the tenths, it's going to carry over to the next side. So 1.83, and there it is. So we're going to click that one and go on to the next problem. Okay, on this one it says fill in the table with whole numbers to make 2.15 or 2 and 15 hundredths in 2 different ways. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, okay, they're doing the same kind of thing to us, right? So they have 2.15 here, and they have 1 point something 5. So we obviously need to get something to carry over from here to get here. We need to add 1 more to get there. So if I would say I'm going to put the 1 there, and if I need something to carry over, I'm going to put another 1 there, right? So it would be 11 tenths, and then this 1 would carry over and make this 2, making these 2 things equal. All right? Let's go ahead and give that a try and see what happens. 11. And check. Okay. This will be the last one, and then I'll have you guys do the rest. Do you guys think blue eyes are real? Fill in the missing value with a whole number. 40 thousandths is equal to how many hundredths? Okay, so this is another job for place value man. Place value, go 1, 2, decimal, and there we go. So it's saying 40 thousandths. This is tens, hundreds, thousandths. If we had 40 thousandths, we won't write 40 thousandths right there. We would write 40 thousandths like that. So 40 thousandths would be equal to 4 hundredths. Okay? That's how it would be written. So that would be 4 hundredths. Let's see how I do. And by the way, March rhymes with starch.